Hi beautiful people, welcome back to Lily's Foods. Yes, now Africa has very many amazing recipes, but this is absolutely one of my favorite, the Kenyan Nyama Choma. So guys, we need very simple ingredients. That's what makes it even more exciting. So I have my garlic cloves, I have my ginger, I have my onion. Now as you can see, I'm going to grate this together to form a paste, as you can see that. Yes, now I'm adding my coriander or oatmeal. Yes, in there you just cut it nicely. Some lemon juice. Please make sure you remove the lemon seeds. They can make our recipe a bit sour, so please remove the lemon seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil or vegetable oil. Yes guys, support me again. Please buy our spices at Janam. Yes, I used some paprika, nutmeg, cumin and turmeric, black pepper. Please support us. Please buy our spices. Find the contacts in the description. So yes, rub it in there. I used some royco too and salt. So rub it in there. Marinate your goat meat. Nyama Choma, your nyama. Add it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour or more. Yes, as you can see, I'm going to charcoal grill this. You can use an oven, but I'm going to charcoal grill this. Yes, our nyama looking really nice. So yes, I'm using a bit medium heat on the grilling because yes, I want it to cook slowly and tender. So guys, I'm making our, there's no Nyama Choma without Kachubali. So I'm going to use 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, and some coriander or oatmeal. Yes guys. So add it in there, add some salt in there, mix properly, and there you go, you have your Kachubali ready. Now we are waiting for our nyama. As you can see, our nyama looks really nice. It has browned nicely. So what I'm going to do guys is I'm going to put it in the foil so that it cooks tender. It becomes tender and nice. So you add it in your foil there. Since I'm not using an oven, I'm going to be using my charcoal grill. I've wrapped it nicely in the foil. You can please double wrap this. You don't want ash to enter there. So yes, I'm adding a bit of ash in my and of course even on top I'm adding a bit of ash there. So our nyama is here after slow cooking it for like 2.5 hours guys. You see how tender this is guys. This is so nice. Please try it out. Just tell me, get back to me, let me know how it turned out. Yes, so after 2 hours our nyama is really tender guys. It's really nice. So guys, as you can see, it looks really nice and it tastes even better. Now guys, thank you for watching. For my new subscribers, you are welcome to the family. For my returning subscribers, thank you for the support. Thank you guys. God bless you.